Hi everyone, my name is Alan Takhsh. I am an immigration attorney from Chicago. I've been doing this line of work for over 10 years, helping individuals and families maneuver their respective immigration journeys. The topic that we're going to be discussing today is an interesting one. Imagine you have an individual who's married and this particular person files for asylum. Also imagine that this particular person receives a grant of asylum. Now he is an asylee and his wife is also an asylee. As you may know, the law says that if you wish to obtain legal permanent residence in the United States, you must file your I-485 1 year following the grant of asylum. But for purposes of this example, imagine that the couple falls on hard times, they separate and ultimately get a divorce. What happens then? Well, the main applicant can go on to file his I-485 1 year later and obtain a green card. But it's not so simple for the wife. Why? Because she has lost her derivative status because of the divorce. She's no longer the wife, she's no longer a derivative, and so under the law, she cannot go on to file Form I-485 because the law says that she must maintain her derivative status until such time that USCIS grants her legal permanent residence in the United States. And so at this point, there is a concept that she could avail herself of, which in Latin says nunc pro tunc, which means now for then. What she will need to do is to find a way to make herself the main applicant, the principal applicant. And so she files a new I-589 with the Asylum Vetting Center in Atlanta, Georgia. They will process her application, send it over to the field office. She will be interviewed and afforded the opportunity to become the main applicant in her own case. Now she can go on to file Form I-485, the green card application, in order to obtain legal permanent residence in the United States. So it's a slightly longer route for her to normalize her status, but it's doable. And as a matter of fact, we're in the midst of a case just like that. We will be filing the I-589 with the vetting center, along with an explanation as to how she came to lose her derivative status, along with some supporting documents, wait for the field office to contact our client, go for the interview, receive the favorable decision, and go on to file the Form I-485 on her behalf. I hope you found this video helpful. Some parts of the asylum process can be confusing and daunting and intimidating, but you can always reach out to us, ask us questions, and we will do our best to guide you accordingly. Leave a comment below or send us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.